guys! Welcome back to my house. So it's dinner time and I cook this healthy dish. Laan nyo. Ayan, nakikita nyo na. It's a fresh lumpia. Of course, my very own recipe. And ito, kumuha na ako before pa tayo mag-start ng vlog. Ayan, guys.
Mani.
So we have some leftover vegetables. It's almost, getting malanta na. What's the English of malanta? Okay. So yeah. So I made this like this. It has kamote or sweet potato, cabbage. I also put some sayote. Sayote. What is the English of sayote?
Sayotes. It's yours, sister.
Tikman natin.
First pa.
Kasi mayroon ako natikman na fresh lumpia. Just recently. I was on a beaten and it didn't really taste that good. Like kung ano yung secret lang siya. Maraming bawang at maraming peanuts sa sauce. Tsaka on top, sa toppings. Kaya yan, maraming toppings. I also made this, of course, the sauce. Let's put more.
I want more bawang.
I also put some chicken breast. And I saw some fish tofu in the fridge. And I also, included in here.
Yummy!
You can taste talaga the garlic and the peanut.
Coffee, please.
But this time it's a little madaya because I put a lot of chicken.
Coffee, please.
But it's white meat is healthy, like it's chicken breast.
Thank you. I like coffee, no?
And yun lang kakainin natin without rice now.
Wow!
No rice. And he's still doing this, intermittent fasting. So he's doing 16 hours of IF. Imagine, ang galing. Today is his 5th day now. So tomorrow is the 6th. Okay. Bye. See you later.